জয় বৃষভানু নন্দিনী রাধে রাধে, বৃষভানু নন্দিনী রাধে রাধে।
Jai Jai Shri Radhe. This is the first verse of Shri Shri Prem Bhakti Chandrika by Srila Narottam Das Thakur Mahasaya. Translations based on the commentaries by Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Padu and Sri Ananta Das Babaji Maharaj. Om Ajnanatimirandhasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Jena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. I offer my obeisances unto my Guru, who opened my eyes with the ointment pencil of divine knowledge and who dispelled the darkness of my ignorance.
জয় রাধে জয় কৃষ্ণ, জয় রাধে